Okay guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm pretty excited because I'm showing you my new machine. Today we're going to do an unboxing of what I'll be able to do, given its size and the difficulty I have in moving it at the moment. Since I'm alone, then my son will come to help me to set it up in its working place. So let's start by opening it. What was it precise? Rownd Precision, a small bench lathe with CNC with a milling unit. Wow. It currently comes with a single tool. There's also the option of having a 4-station turret. I would say, and since I'm very anxious, I'll start by pulling on these little gears to open the box that arrived. Well packaged. It's placed on a pallet so that I can be sure it won't tip over. These are the shipping documents. We'll put it in the box and celebrate later. The first thing I'll find is how to assemble and show it to the machine. Looks so well packaged. Very well packed. And this beautiful little thing. Milling unit. I don't know. Samples. I read this when I received the first milling operations. A milling machine. Now I'll show you everything. So, the kit, wrenches, and clamps. The first time I found them packaged like this. Good, very good. The support brackets for the milling kit. Support, I love it on. There are two samples. So this is the container for the R11 collet that I hope is mounted, and I hope is mounted. Tool holder that I know is already mounted on the machine. So let's see what's here. The tool holders with all the wrenches, but they are 10mm tool holders. Yeah, nice. Fantastic. We'll put this next to a tube. A tube that I'll now understand what it's for. Be careful with the cutter here. Because this is the milling. And we mustn't damage it. The R11 collet was already mounted, so I can say that everything is there at the top. It's already said that there's
Ask me if I'm so happy. We have everything. The machine is really, really nice. Well made. As well. There are still some things down here that should come out of the drawers. Drawers that I will only be able to open later with the help of my son. What can I say? It's fantastic.
I had a bit of a hard time, but that was good. I would say that this nice unboxing, which is not unusual, has given me great satisfaction so far.
The packaging is well done, even too well. It takes two people.
There's a video on the Rownd Precision website that shows exactly how to put prisms under the packaging to open it. I didn't have any, and I managed to go to usual. I used a nice flexible iron. The fear goes away, and the machine unpacks. Tops. All the components that I've had in my hands so far are of good quality. The only thing I expected it to be a bit bigger, the turret attachment, but it's not a problem. We'll see that when we start working. For now, I'll say goodbye. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.